Hello, this is Chad. Today I'm going to show you how to change out a doorbell button. Maybe your doorbell button quit working or the light quit working, or maybe you want to change finishes. If you want to upgrade to a smart doorbell, I have other videos on that. Please take a look. But this one is just going to focus on changing it out to another button. So let's get started. Okay, I have my new doorbell next to it. Funny thing is, it looks exactly the same as my old doorbell button. First, we're going to want to take out the screws. This could be a slotted screw or it could be a Phillips. This one that I'm using is a Phillips. And we'll just unscrew both screws. And then we'll pull it up, and what you'll find is two wires. And they're hooked to terminal screws. Sorry about that. That was me. They're hooked to two terminals like this. So the top and the bottom. And it doesn't matter which one you put it on or take it off of. Whoops. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that off. And so put the new one on. You just want to unscrew these terminal screws. Sorry, I'm doing this upside down. So what you want to do is take your wire and just loop it around. Make a little loop on it. And then we'll go ahead and stick it on here. And it doesn't matter which terminal screw you put it on. Now I'll go ahead and put my other one on. Now if your wires are too short, I actually have a video on how to extend them. Now that we've gotten our wires attached, now all we have to do is screw these screws in and we're done. I know it's working because the light is illuminated, but let's go ahead and try it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe